Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of How to Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you fix when WhatsApp says this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp while you are logging into your WhatsApp. So, in this scenario, before going into solutions, first let's know what can cause this kind of problems. The first one is in our list is that whenever you violate any of the community guidelines of WhatsApp, then you can get a permanent or temporary ban into your WhatsApp. The guidelines might be related to spams, scams, and many other illegal selling activities like gambling or many more. Now, in order to solve this issue, first you have to know if your account is temporarily banned or permanently banned already. Now, if your account is banned permanently, there is no solution for that. Now, in order to use WhatsApp, you just have to open your WhatsApp from a new number. But if your account is temporarily banned, just simply go to settings and from there click to this help button, and into the help button click to this help center, and after clicking into help center you will get this support button into here. Click into that support button, and after clicking into there, just simply explain your problem into this box and click to next. Then your request will be submitted, and after that WhatsApp support team will review, then send a report to you instantly. Then after that your problems will probably be solved. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.